Ultra-modern homes not only have to be high in comfort and aesthetics, but also need to have a smart water system. Nirmala designs water systems that are intelligent, with smart operation, power-saving, renewable, and are cost-effective. Our water systems are well designed to ensure good hygiene to your family. Our design ensures that the water you use is efficiently disinfected, filtered, and softened. There are options for hot and cold water. Use of solar heaters ensures low operational cost. Incorporation of a heat pump ensures hot water in the nights or when the sun is not shining the brightest. Solar water heater is designed to be efficient, cost-effective, and is sustainable. The heat pump takes up the heating during the night or when the sun is not shining bright. The booster pump ensures uniform pressure throughout all user points in the building. The sand filter filters the water from suspended impurities. The softener ensures conversion of hard water to soft water and eliminates the problem of scaling. Option for a PLC-based control panel provides for intelligent automation that monitors and controls the water system to operate efficiently. All the equipments are connected using high-quality CPVC piping and installed for easy serviceability. Reliable and energy-efficient transfer pump ensures constant feed to the system. A dewatering pump is used that is specifically designed to recycle or drain out collected water from the terrace. The transfer pump pumps the water to the terrace. The water is fed to the sand filter. The sand filter traps the suspended particles present in water. Provisions to backwash the sand filter easily and effectively is also provided for. The filtered water is then passed through a softener. Hardness in the water causes scales and is also harmful to the body. The softener takes in the hard water and softens it. Nirmala Enterprises can provide you with auto-regenerative softeners that do not require regeneration. The filtered and softened water is stored in a food-grade plastic storage tank. A booster pump is installed to deliver uniformly pressurized water at all points. The water is pressurized into the solar water heater. The water is heated as the water recirculates through the glass tubes under the solar panel. The water can be heated up to 65 degrees centigrade. The sunlight can fluctuate during the day or goes down during the night. This is detected by the temperature sensors. The PLC automatically switches on the heat pump and reroutes the water to the heat pump during low sunlight conditions. Using a heat pump is a very efficient way to generate heat from atmospheric air. The heat pump heats the water to a temperature of 65 degrees centigrade. The heat pump smartly switches on and off automatically to maintain constant set temperature. The heated water is circulated in a closed recirculation loop across all the user points in the building. Closed circulation across the loop piping ensures hot water across all points at all times. The cold water is supplied at constant pressure throughout the building. The cold water is supplied through a separate line and does not need a closed circulation loop. The recirculation pump sucks the hot water at the end of the recirculation loop and pumps it back to the solar heater tank. When it comes to designing smart and efficient water systems, Nirmala Enterprises designs and executes it better. Talk to us about designing clean, green and smart water systems.